Yeah, I just thought time for an update on the greenhouse and the garden. It's been quite a while, almost 2 months I think. So I just thought I'd show you what's happened. So I think just this morning and yesterday I've just tidied up all these tomatoes, put canes in and everything. I took plants out and everything. So it's a little more airy, as you can see. There's more space, I guess. It's still huge, but yeah, there's literally all sorts everywhere. There's just hundreds of tomatoes. It's crazy. It's crazy. So these are the tigerellas, stripes. I've got 2 of them left. I don't know where the other one is at the minute. I have no idea where I put everything. So yeah. And these are the ocas. I went and got some cage for them yesterday because they were just flat across the floor. It wasn't very good. I just sort of neglected everything really. But the grapevine. But the pepper plants are doing incredibly well. There's hundreds of them. Hundreds of them. There's purple ones there. Oh, this is a tobacco plant I ended up getting. I've got a few more just across this row. I don't know if you can see, there's just crap everywhere. And there's bell peppers. This is the chocolate, it's huge. That one there is huge. Another bell, it's got 2 huge peppers. Yeah, sweet pepper. There's a banana behind it. I don't know if you can see the little yellow one there. Yeah, everything's doing okay, I guess. Second grapevine. It's crazy. And there's hanging purple cherry tomato. Just been moving it around to get around. It's sort of hanging on the apexes. Is it 8? I have no idea. Apexes, that's it, isn't it? I think. Yeah, but outside, I'll show you outside, seeing as I haven't shown you in a while, and there was nothing really last time. The first row here is the purple carrots. Pulled quite a few up. I just pulled one up before because it'd been chewed to bits, but yeah. So unfortunately they've had a chewing on. The second row there, just normal carrots, parsnips and leeks. And I really haven't done any weeding. I've just been really busy lately. So yeah, and a field full of potatoes here. Like, I had to string it all up the other day, which I should have done a long time ago, because I didn't have any path. And I had path yesterday, and I don't today. So yeah, and the potatoes in the box at the back, I think they're ready to be harvested. So I'll probably do a little clip on the end of this. I'll show you what I've got from that. Yeah, the second peas I put in. There's some huge ones at the back here. So yeah, I'm just waiting until they fill out really before I get them out. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you what's happened, and I'll show you what I get from those potato bags. So yeah, well, the box, and I'll probably do the bag there and there. So yeah, right, well, thanks for watching. Right, well, I've harvested those 2 bags in the box, and first one I wasn't very impressed with. For what, like, you know, they're not the biggest. There's not many of them. The second one, a bit better. Well, it's enough really, innit? For a meal, I guess. And and then from the box I got quite a few, so I'll get these washed, and then that's probably me doing gardening for the day, I guess. I forgot to show you the bushes before, so I'll just show you these quickly, just to show you. I figured out this one is, is there any left? No, there's not, but this one is the blackcurrant, the first one. I'm still not sure what the second one is. Actually, no, I know for a fact this is a red currant, because I took the cutting from a huge plant my dad had, so I know what that is. So that's good. This is the blackberries. Starting to ripen up now. There's hundreds of them, like all over. I think that branch has just died, hasn't it? Yeah. But yeah, they're still growing and everything. So yeah, that's nice. For the blueberries, we've had quite a few ripen so far. Not loads, about a handful. They were nice. This tiny little cranberry bush actually has one cranberry on it. I was just thinking of taking it off, but I might as well just leave it now. Tayberry, I tried taking the cutting from that and it just died, but at least the plant's starting to bush out now, so yeah. This is the raspberry, I think. Yeah, that one is the raspberry, and the gooseberry. This is, I think, the third one of these I've had, and this one's died now as well, so yeah. And the rhubarb is going crazy as ever. Just huge stalks, planted 1, 2, 3 little ones. So we've already had, I think, 2 harvests of this already this year, quite big ones. So yeah, it's been decent. Yeah, just thanks for watching.